And this 8, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Qtum future while examining Qtum cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Qtum. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive in every practical sense, profound into the Qtum value expectation and answer questions in the event that Qtum is a fundamentally wise speculation or not. For what reason will Qtum succeed or truly fall flat, or for what reason will Qtum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Qtum and its to-date history. Qtum Introduction. Qtum is an open-source, decentralized blockchain stage and worth exchange convention. It can execute shrewd agreements on especially numerous virtual machines and really run conditions with evidence of stake agreement in a significant manner. It is a kind of crossbreed Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain stage. Qtum, articulated quantum, for the most part was made by adding a record reflection layer on really top of a Bitcoin fork code to by and large permit sidechain reconciliation with blockchain virtual machines like the Ethereum virtual machine. This mixture model joins practically the most ideal scenario, adding Bitcoin's worth putting away abilities to Ethereum's shrewd agreement stage. In WAC 2017, Qtum sent off a crowdfunding effort to look for assets for the improvement to their new blockchain-based stage. The crowd share was planned to vary most recent 30 days, or until all tokens were sold. Qtum sold north of $10 million of its tokens after just an hour and a half, ultimately raising a complete worth of $15.7 million, preceding halting the mission right on time after just 5 days. They raised an aggregate sum of 11,156.766 bitcoins, BTC, and 77,081.031 Ether, ETH, in return for the 51 million Qtum tokens being circulated to general society in a significant manner. Despite the fact that anybody can utilize Qtum, the Qtum establishment is centered around business utilizations of really savvy contracts. Their objective is working with the change from heritage frameworks and maturing associations over to blockchain-based arrangements that increment computerization and lessening cost, or so they thought. Qtum Value Forecast 2021. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has fundamentally drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into basically more steady business sectors. Crypto, in every way that really matters, is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which is genuinely huge. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other essentially greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each undertaking, which generally is very huge. Essentials that we generally assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive way. October 1, 2022. Plus 0.22% $2.92. October 2, 2022. Minus 1.46% $2.87, really in spite of mainstream thinking. October 3, 2022. Minus 3.94% $2.80. October 4, 2022. minus 2.76% $2.84. October 5, 2022 in a by and large huge manner. Minus 4.28% $2.79, or so they truly thought. October 6, 2022. Plus 0.61% $2.93. October 7, 2022. Plus 0.73% $2.94. October 8, 2022. Minus 0.54% $2.90. October 9, 2022. Plus 1.54% $2.96. Qtum value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. Beneath basically is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 7.69% $2.69. 2022 November in a significant manner. Minus 27.73% $2.11. 2022 December minus 28.43% $2.09. 2023 Jan, or so they thought. Minus 21.72% $2.28. 2023 February minus 20.95% $2.30. 2023 blemish, or so they thought. Minus 11.64% $2.58. 2023 April minus 6.22% $2.73. 2023 May. Minus 4.36% $2.79. 2023 June, which is very critical. Plus 3.35% $3.01. 2023 July plus 6.86% $3.12. 2023 August plus 12.62% $3.28. 2023 September plus 14.00% $3.32. Qtum value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Qtum coming to $5.60 in 2025. What will Qtum be most certainly worth in 5 years? The cost of Qtum in 5 years could lie around $0. Qtum value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Qtum will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Qtum coming to $0 in 2030. What Qtum will be worth in 2040, or so they thought. Our Gwajing model sees Qtum coming to $0 in 2040. Will Qtum supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Qtum won't supplant or sort of surpass BTC, or so they thought. Might Qtum at any point